Hello students, today I am going to teach you how to find out the HCF of a given number by prime factor method. Last time I had shown you how to find out or how to factorize a given number into its prime factor. Now I will show you, after doing the prime factor method, how you can find out the HCF of the given number. You all know what is HCF. You have learnt in 6th standard as well. HCF means the highest common factor of any given numbers. So here I have written two numbers, 24 and 32. So now I will show you how to find out the HCF of 24 and 32 by prime factor method. So pay attention properly. So first you should write both the numbers in this way and then find out the HCF. So the first step is to find out the prime factor of both the numbers. Okay. Now see, I have written the number 24. Now 24 is divisible by which number? As I told you, always start from 2. So is it divisible by 2? Yes. So I will write 2. How many are? 2 12s are 24. Yes. Now again 12 is divisible by 2. So I will write 2 6s are 12. Now again 6 is divisible by 2. So I will write 2 3s are 6 and 3 is divisible by 3 only. So 3 1s are 3. So I got the prime factors of 24. Okay. 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now this is done. Now let's move on to the next number, that is 32. Again we will start from 2 only. 32 is divisible by 2. Yes. So I will write 2. How many are? 2 16s are 32. Then again 16 is divisible by 2. So I will write 2 8s are 16. Yes. Then again 8 is divisible by 2. So I will write 2 4s are 8. Then I will write again 4 is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and then 2 is again divisible by 2 itself. So 2 1s are 2. So all the numbers are 2 only. All the prime factors are 2. So now I have got the prime factors of both the numbers I am having. So I will write it properly over here, or if you want me to write it clearly, I will write over here. Okay. So let me write. The prime factors of 24 are, as you can see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and the prime factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, means 5 times 2. Now what you have to do is find out what is common in both these prime factors. What you will find out? The common factors. So I will write common factors. Okay. So what are the common factors in this? Can you tell me? Let me underline with another color sketch pen. See, 2 and 2. So from both these 2, I will take out 1 2 and write over here. Then again 2 and 2. Yes. Then again 2 and 2. Yes. Have you got it? Is anything else common? No. Here 3 is there. Here I don't have 3. And for this 2 there is no any partner. So 1 2 3. 3 2s have come over here. So therefore I will multiply this and I will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what is this 8? Yes, this is the HCF. Okay. So the HCF of 24 and 32 is what? 8. Is it clear? So this is the easiest method. It is very easy. In this way you can find out the HCF of any number, whether it is 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Okay. First find out the prime factors, then write down all the prime factors, find out the common prime factors and then multiply, and the number which you will get is the HCF of the given number. Is it clear? So watch this video and then you can solve the remaining sums from the exercise. Okay, thank you.